much and not getting the quality you deserve? Do your models look sad and cry out for colour? Then look no further, because here at Outback Mini Models we use and recommend SMS paints, tools and accessories for the modeler by the modeler. Click the link below to order online or find a stockist near you. SMS, the Scale Modeler Supply, Australia's #1 scale model paint.
Hey guys, got another little unboxing here. It's a 1/100 scale ZVEZDA MAUS. So 100 scales, that's really small, and it's going to be really quick to build. So what's the box? It's a little box, probably about no bigger than my hand. On the back of the box we have some images of what the model looks like when it's snap fitted together, because that's what these are. These are snap fit kits, as it says on the front, and it's they're meant to be a, as far as I know, or what I keep seeing on these kits, and I've got a few others here, okay, which I'm also going to review. It says Art of Tactic, so apparently it's a .ru, so I think it's something, again, they have it there over in Russia. So, but on the back of the box it says this one has 18 parts. It's 10.6 centimeters long, okay, so it's not very big, guys. It's 106 mils, okay, so that's what it is in inches, and that I have no idea. You have to work that out. All right, so on the side of the box it says not recommended for children 0 to 3, and some other images of some other kits they have in the range. Okay, so there they are there. So what we're going to do, we're going to crack open this box and have a look. And if you watch the Yag Panther video, and I was talking in there that if Heather's nice enough to give me a kit I can build, she has. She's thrown this over and goes, build it. All right, so this only just happened. So in the instructions, excuse me, it's snap fit. You can see that. So if you want to pause that, have a quick look, have a quick read. Okay, so all right, so these are just game pieces, but I think these retail for about roughly about 20 Australian dollars, because this is one of the bigger kits. Okay, so it's a grey box, I believe. So the grey boxes are roughly about 19 or 20 dollars or something Australian. And so yeah, it's pretty simple build. 18 pieces. Put a little bit of cleanup as usual. Just cut your pieces off and clean all the mold lines and things off. But we have in one bag, we have 2 sprues. Okay, so but it's actually not it's a decent sized model really for 1/100 scale. So I've never built a 35th scale mouse, nor have I ever seen one. So I can imagine it would be a beast of a vehicle. So we're going to cut the bag open and we're going to zoom in so I can show you what's going on here. Alright, so first of all we're going to look at the side plate armor that covers the tracks on the mouse. Okay, so we got that's the upper hull, or the top plate, the top of the superstructure, whatever you want to call it. Okay, and I think this will be at the bottom of the turret. Okay, here, and these bits here, I believe these are part of the, what do you call it, the snap fit things, or the plugs, pins, what do you want to call it, and that is the barrel, maybe. Hang on a sec. Right, that'll be part of the barrel, this thing here. And these here are, let's have a look in the instructions so I can sort of give you an idea what it is. Okay, so that and these 2 parts are for the turret assembly, and that is for the mantlet. So from there, these 3 pieces and that plus that goes for the turret, and this piece here, as I was pointing out before, is part of the snap fit section. Okay, so that holds pretty much all this bit together, which will be this bit. Okay, so these sprues aren't lettered as you're normally used to, like sprue A, sprue B, or whatever big kits you come from. These are just 2 sprues, unleaded, but they are numbered, okay? So the parts are 1 to whatever it'll be. So if it says there's 18 parts in this kit, it'll be numbered 1 to 18, okay? But the tracks, what I've noticed when I first opened up this bag, the tracks are really cool. Like, there's no, there'll be no cleanup. There's hardly any mold lines. If I bring you right in, I mean, you'll just have to cut the tracks off, or the running gear off, all by these sprue gates here, as you can see. All right, and just with a flat sander, just give it a quick light sand, and the mold lines are gone. You can just see the mold lines during the molding process of this kit. So there you go, see them right there. So it'll just be a simple sandbag, and Bob's your Only. You're not going to have any mold lines on these tracks. But the top of the turret, I know you can see a bit of a weird effect on here. I don't know if it's just the plastic or, but there's no, like, it's not rough or anything. It's just, I don't know, it's just weird. But hopefully, you know, once the primer goes on, you're not even going to see it. We got fuel tanks on the back. All right, so they're nicely detailed. I mean, surprisingly, for 100 scale, like, this thing has some really nice detail, guys. And with a bit of pin washing and some, I don't even think you'll need to do heaps of weathering. Like, I'm going to have a look at some videos on, see if there's any people doing some games like on these using these vehicles. But yeah, it's very interesting, and I'm really looking forward to building it. So if you do want to see a build video on this, and I'll probably go live, and I'll just do a build video from start to finish, as long as I can go anyway, at least, and then we'll do something. But yeah, if you want to see, just give it a like, leave a comment down below, and just say yes, you want to see me build this thing and paint it up and weather it, whatever, just so you've got an idea. And it'll be a good video for good beginners, for modelers, beginner modelers video, how to, I guess. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. There's really not much else to show you. There's only 2 sprues, but I mean, I think this kit's pretty cool. So thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, give it a like, and if you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down, and all the rest, and subscribe to Outback if you're new here to the channel. But I'll catch you next time, fellas, on Outback. Catch you guys. Bye bye.